Hi, today I'll show you the full cycle of creating a marketing video using artificial intelligence, from the first idea to the final video with voiceover and subtitles. And all of this inside one application, Quadcode. Usually such a task requires at least 4 or 5 different services, one for image generation, another for video, a third for voice, a fourth for editing and subtitles, constant switching, exporting files, different subscriptions. I'll show you how to assemble the entire process in one window and save hours of work. The video you saw at the beginning was completely assembled in Quadcode in a few minutes. Now let's break down step by step how it works. The main strength of Quadcode is that it combines the most powerful AI models in one environment. I don't need to keep a dozen tabs open and pay for each service separately. For image generation, I use NanoBanana Pro, one of the most accurate models today, especially when it comes to following prompts and preserving details. To bring static pictures to life, I connect VO3. This is a model from Google that works great with references and produces smooth, natural movement. Plus, built-in tools for voiceover and automatic subtitles. It turns out to be a full-fledged studio. Images, video, sound, text, all in one interface, without exporting and importing between applications. Let's start with image generation. I open the chat and send a text prompt describing the scene, style, and details. Quadcode processes the request, and the result immediately appears in the files window to the right of the chat. This is convenient. All my work is stored in one place, nothing gets lost. Pay attention to the speed. Generation takes literally seconds and, more importantly, accuracy. The model understands the nuances of the prompt, composition, lighting, and the mood of the frame. You can judge for yourself how detailed the pictures follow the description. Now for the most interesting part, bringing it to life. I select the image I want to turn into a video and simply drag it from the file editor section directly into the chat. Then I write a prompt for VO3. I describe what kind of movement I want to see, the camera direction, the actions of the objects, and the dynamics. VO3 generates the video, preserving the style and composition of the original image. This is a key point. The video doesn't drift away from the reference, it maintains brand recognition or the visual concept you initially laid down. When the video is ready, I move on to the sound. Quadcode has a built-in tool for voiceover. I choose a voice, paste the text, and get an audio track. The voice quality is at the level of professional studio recording without robotic intonations. Next, subtitles. They are applied automatically. You can adjust the timing or font style if you need to adapt it to a brand book. For marketing videos, this is critical. Most viewers watch videos without sound, and subtitles directly affect retention.
Leave a mark that cannot be forgotten.
What do I want to emphasize? This entire cycle from a text prompt to a finished video with voiceover is closed inside one application. You don't need to export an image to one service, video to another, and mix sound in a third. Everything happens in one window with a single project history. For someone who creates content regularly, a blogger, marketer, designer, this saves not just time, but mental energy. You don't need to keep a dozen interfaces in your head. In the end, we got a full-fledged marketing video with an original image brought to life through VO3, professional voiceover, and subtitles. The entire process took a few minutes and took place in one application. Quadcode really changes the approach to content creation. It's not just a set of tools, but a single creative environment. Try it yourself. Link to Quadcode in the description below the video. If the breakdown was useful, give it a like and subscribe. There's a lot more material ahead on working with AI tools inside Quadcode. See you in the next video.